In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable reading mode on Google Chrome Mobile. If you've ever tried to read a long article on your phone and felt overwhelmed by ads, pop-ups, or tiny text, reading mode is designed to help. On Android, Chrome doesn't always include a dedicated reader mode button like you might see on desktop browsers. Instead, Google provides an official reading mode app that works system-wide and plugs in beautifully with Chrome. That's what we'll set up today. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Reading Mode and look for the app published by Google. Install it, then open the app to begin the quick setup. The first time you run it, the app will guide you to your phone's accessibility settings. This is expected because Reading Mode needs permission to display content over other apps. In Accessibility, find Reading Mode and turn on the Reading Mode shortcut. Confirm any prompts so the shortcut can appear while you browse. Once that's enabled, you're ready to use it with Chrome. Open the Chrome app and navigate to any article or web page you want to read. After the page loads, you should see a small floating Reading Mode button or an accessibility shortcut appear. Tap it, and the page will switch into a clean, distraction-free view. You'll get a focused layout that usually shows just the headline, main text, and images from the article, making it much easier on your eyes. Reading mode works best on content that's structured like articles and blog posts. If you're on a social media feed, a video page, or a site that updates dynamically, the button may not appear or may not capture the content as cleanly. If you don't see the shortcut on certain pages, try a different article or wait a moment for the page to finish loading. For a quick test, open a well-known news site and tap into a full article. That typically shows reading mode at its best. A couple of helpful notes as you use it. Reading mode overlays a simplified view. It doesn't change the website itself, so you can exit anytime and return to the original page. Within the reading mode interface, you can usually adjust things like text size or colors to improve comfort, especially for low-light reading. And if the shortcut ever disappears, revisit accessibility settings to ensure it's still turned on. That's it. With the official reading mode apps set up, Chrome on your Android phone becomes a much calmer place to read.